Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we've got something truly special for all you food enthusiasts out there. If you're a fan of pickled vegetables, you won't want to miss this. We've got the best pickled asparagus you can find. Old South Pickled Asparagus from a small business brand, Bryant Preserving Company. Stick around because we're about to dive into the details of this delectable treat. Let's start with the basics. Old South Pickled Asparagus is a top-rated product on Amazon with a fantastic 4.4-star rating from 154 satisfied customers.
Now, that's impressive.
It's also Amazon's choice in the pickled mixed vegetables category, and today, we're going to find out why. So, what makes Old South Pickled Asparagus stand out? First, it's harvested at the peak of flavor, ensuring a crisp and delicious bite every time. These asparagus spears are so irresistible that you'll want to finish the entire jar. Trust me, I've been there. But it's not just about snacking. Old South Pickled Asparagus can be the gourmet touch to your Bloody Marys. Imagine the perfect stirrer for your favorite cocktail. It's also a sensational garnish or appetizer. So, whether you're a home chef looking to elevate your dishes or simply a food lover, this product has you covered. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. The product comes in a well-packaged jar with dimensions of 9.88 by 3.74 by 3.35 inches and weighs 1.81 pounds. It's a vegetarian-friendly option and is brought to you by a small business, so you're not only enjoying great food but also supporting local entrepreneurship. Now, let's hear from those who've tried it themselves. The reviews speak for themselves. With 154 ratings, Old South Pickled Asparagus has received an impressive 4.4 out of 5 stars on Amazon. Customers rave about the great taste and quality of this product. You might be wondering about the price. Old South Pickled Asparagus offers excellent value for its quality. And the best part? It's just a click away on Amazon. So, you can enjoy this gourmet treat from the comfort of your home. In conclusion, if you're a fan of pickled vegetables or just looking to add a gourmet touch to your dishes or cocktails, Old South Pickled Asparagus is a must-try. With its fantastic flavor, crispness, and rave reviews, it's a top contender for the best pickled asparagus on the market. That's a wrap for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more amazing products, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And of course, let us know in the comments if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until then, happy snacking, and we'll see you in the next video.